Hey, Kathleen here. I wanted to review for you the Luxe Bidet, the Neo 320 Plus. And the reason we even stepped into getting a bidet is we were redoing our bathroom. And I thought, you know what? I've read about these. People love them. Let's not spend a ton of money and get a built-in one to the toilet. Let's get one that you could just add on or take off, as you pleased, and it wasn't that expensive. And my contractor was able to hook it up at the time of renoing and get the different waters connected, the hot and warm, the warm and cold waters connected. So let me show you how it operates from the control panel. So let's look at what this dial has on it. We've got our dial here, which right now is set on wash, which would be for the back side. This is nozzle clean. And then over here is feminine, which means that the water would be spraying further forward. And then this is where you adjust the temperature. You can get it warmer, in the middle, or cold. And quite honestly, I've never had it hot. I was a little afraid of that, something that my contractor mentioned to me. It's never gotten hot. I can basically get it to lukewarm. So it's really, by the time it would get really warm, it would take quite a while, and it's not worth waiting that long or wasting that much water. So that's how you operate it from that perspective. All right, so the final piece is to show you a little bit about the operation here. It's got these hinges, so this flips up, and that's for cleaning underneath. And then also, I just want to show you where the water's coming. The water is coming from down under here. And I'm not going to show you that because I did just squirt myself trying to figure out if I could show that. But yeah, that's where it's coming out of, and easy clean by flipping that up. Really strong hinges, and yeah, that's the operation.